Bwansu Bwomogusi Ndizi TV Bwansu Bwomogusi.
Vyake gima mwanchu muliele abugeta seni kia Ndizi TV ni gocharegire chinsa isano na ibere cha bono mwaso asine robere wikirani wakalitera magana mayabu na bereka wakolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chinse. Iretera ne Frida Kerubo nolio kane kemna chibi chanelio giri ya wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Mumanyi. Astinse mochi biorkelio ni gotokuwa tenere Lydia Mose. Naboko enda gotobuati astinse mochi che mitandao, asense mo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital, nabega asense ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News, asense mo ya website wetera www.ndizitv.net. Kondo mwanchi muliye toskato nyigara wera nanda segeke ya kerebusio elindengu manyamange asenchira yuwinge. Mwanche muliye yangu kwa liga ni bene elinde ngoma nyasi nchira iyo wenge bunaberika gwateka kora chinsemo amayaye birebigani otoko yachaka kora se county ya Nairobi asengo kumenya bunanigo omurai wense Dr. William Ruto litko lero apaga kuigora bene egeikaro ge chinse cha Africa ekikirabike gokorekana asamatuko atano alibosyo okwana Ruto kora sensemo ya Uhuru Gardens nigo ali Manche muligere yango saba okwabera asobo tutukano ubwa chibichecho kolende ngo kwaligane na ndetogenda gusanga ase obwa momuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo litkolero aigora bene egeikaro yechinse cha Africa ikikirabeke gokorekana asa matuka atano alibosyo okwana akora sensemo ya Uhuru Gardens nigo aliganya babwatani korwa ase chinsemo nabaigo kubagania gotalira ase chingiti chorosa na chitogere meye county ya Nairobi ase okwenyorera obuya aboigo nigo arekerenge kenene ase okumurikira amangana alengete obutumeki bwechinjira chekerero ase nekebna bali batalira sense ya Kenya mbabeti bagusabwa evisa.
On behalf of the government and people of Kenya, let me welcome all of you that have come to attend this very timely and important conference. And while there, let me give you one must know about Nairobi and one must know about Kenya. About Nairobi, to the south of this place, if you walk this direction in about 5 minutes, you will be at the Nairobi National Park. Nairobi is the only city with a national park a minute or minutes away from where you will be staying. So I will encourage you somewhere in between this conference to find your way to the national park. We have wild animals. I must, however, warn you that sometimes they break off from the fence. So if for any reason you find a lion, please be careful. They are not tamed. I must know about Kenya. When you came to Kenya, I am sure you realize that from wherever you came from, you no longer need a visa to visit Kenya. And it is because the artificial barriers that we have since been brought down by technology. And that's why I am proud and honored to welcome all to the Connected Africa Summit 2024, at which we gather to inaugurate the sunrise of Africa's digital transformation, the spark which will ignite our continent's rapid development in every sector to accelerate Africa's progress in realizing its full economic potential.
Omo Prime Cabinet Msalia Mdavadini gasege tabara chinse cha Africa kwane kebna ngo abale okoboko obutumiki bwechinchira chekerero okwana nigo abuli muraibense kwane kebna ngo sirale abantu bagutumika chinchira chekerero nabo igokora abara sorgo ngorwa Africa kwane kebna ngo skabale busyo na kwane kya obokoleli obuya.
We started having a conversation during the light moments, and we got into talking about the Olympics, which are scheduled to be in Paris. And one of the conversation members put it this way, that there is no athletics competition if Kenya and Ethiopia are missing. The marathon. If they are there, then there's no marathon. And then we went on further and we talked a little bit about soccer. And as we were talking about soccer, this gentleman, in a very humorous way, said, well, you are good in the athletics and the marathon, but we want to tell you that we are better in soccer. And I asked him, why do you think so? Because we are getting there. And he said, you see, the problem with you guys in Africa is that you run so fast and you leave the ball behind. So what am I trying to say here? So I'm trying to say that dealing with where we are going, the future of technology and connectivity, I think it is important that as Africa, we make sure that we are running fast enough not to be left behind. We cannot continue playing catch-up. The second aspect of it is that we should then also learn to use what we have and make sure that the ball is always ahead so that we find it there. So with these few remarks, Your Excellency, I think this is an opportune moment for you to continue with your drive to make sure that Africa is well connected and we participate fully so that technology does not go ahead without Africa.
Waziri Eliudo Walo nigo aenekia kubeke mirobele meikirano asoko aenekia obokoleri obuya asobotumiki bwechinjira chekerero nigo aenekia buna nigege ikalekyo kirabe ekengenjo ase abange barabe bagokonyeka asa aenekia buna nigo amabaga yemeremo arabe gakoenekigwa nabo igo anene botumika gosegokinia obonjirelia botumika chinjira chekerero.
This is a very, very important week for Africa, Your Excellency, because it gives us the opportunity as Africa to discuss the emerging issues in our operational environment in view of dynamism in the technological space and come up with a very, very clear tech roadmap for Africa moving forward. We are dealing with issues of artificial intelligence as to whether or not we need to regulate AI or let AI regulate itself. We are grappling with issues to do with big data, machine learning, issues of cyber security. All these require a holistic approach for the continent so that we move in tandem. Similarly, in terms of opportunities, we have got opportunity to enhance the level of digital public infrastructure for Africa. We need to enhance the level of our fiber connectivity, our internet connectivity, so that we have universal access and we have digital inclusivity. Other opportunities that we need to exploit, Your Excellency, include but not limited to the digital jobs that we have within the digital space, opportunities for digital entrepreneurship so that we explore the possibility of Africa being a manufacturer of digital enterprises and equipment such as smart-enabled telephones before we go the full hog to embark on manufacture of computer hardware and software. This is why we are here, Your Excellency. And while doing all this, we need to recognize that everything that we are going to do by way of digital interventions has to be anchored on a sound policy, legal, and regulatory framework. We therefore need to break the shackles and barriers that we have within Africa so that we have got policies, laws, and regulations that speak to each other as opposed to being discordant with each other. We therefore envisage, Your Excellency, that at the tail end of all this, we will come up with recommendations as to what we need to do as Africa in the global technological space so that we exploit opportunities that are available within our operational environment to position Africa effectively in the digital market by way of comparative.
Umugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni garulege kulege tindi gocha ase bali bamenyete ange nechindoche anigo agocha magagaye mbure nyinge kwene kigwa ase orocherwa adriva rwabetero goichirana ekekirerete abange gosiria enibo yabona bande gosiria obugima bwabo obwatkana no gosombwa na mache korwa ase orochero konde nigo aberega kobole bamenye bensemeyo kwene kebna ngo babale maiso anene chinga kichiga embure nyinge gendete kwene kigwa.
Some of these things inafanyika ni sisi wenyewe we are the ones who are causing some of these things to happen. So for me as the governor of Machakos, and I'm here, I would really like to tell my people, not even in Machakos alone, to move away from the rivers. Because like today, I've never seen that in my life. It is the first time I've seen at the river swelling, coming almost close to the main road.
We cannot be losing so many lives like that through accidents. Si andege, si barabara, si maji. That is not normal. We must pray for our country. Na si hospitali. Doctors are on strike. We are losing so many lives in this country.
Umarikyo manene w'ikiama gya UDA Cleophas Malala nigo aberega kwenekeria abakenya unambairo berete bwikirano ase ogokora obochori w'ikiame kyo gochakira tariki 25 cy'umutinyiga okwana nigo enekemna nigo bochori obora bogokorekana ase nchira yoboene na boigo obwasyoku boigo niga boli abasubati gwesokia aso bonge inde ko enyorera amabaga iyoborai ase kiama gya UDA.
Tumesema tunataka tuwe na officials ambao wamechaguliwa na chama na ambao wamechaguliwa na members kutoka kwa kila polling center wakikuja kule juu. That is why tumetangaza uchaguzi. Tukasema kutoka tarehe 26 tutakuwa na uchaguzi kwa kaunti zetu. Naimiza wamama wa Migori mujitokeze kabisa muwanie hizi viti. Na tumesema chairman akiwa mwanaume, vice chair ni lazima awe mwanamke. Tunataka wanawake waingie katika uongozi.
Mancho muriere yakura sorba tioroni ne kiromwele obwa mangana maya aseberebega kolende toska tonyegara chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange ne nyara sinchira yobwenge maga kamera soka ne kibna ebichana bayele ogira gukira sole asenchira yabene ne resara mumanyi na chinse moche berke tobe tukubatanere Lydia Muse na nchira ne Frida Kerubo twara obulielia borobia.
Omoibuli koiru mwana we skuru mbuya korende nkobwatire skuru kikwa moira eriyo konyora migirio yebirengo bigoro Potters Premium School nao bagosoiraime nigo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gwika grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro na boigo ubaisaine nigere nsemo etabwatirioge erengia asogosomera mbabwata